So we're trying to get the measure of the hypotenuse of a right triangle whose legs are 3 and 5. So we're going to use Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And the key is to identify which two are the legs and which one is the hypotenuse. And those legs, the 3 and the 5, I know are the legs because they're the shorter sides, and they're the ones that are right next to the right angle. And the hypotenuse C is the longest side, and it's the one that's opposite that right angle. So I keep going. So 3 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. I evaluate 3 squared equals 9, and 5 squared equals 25. And the sum of 9 plus 25 is 34. So I know that c squared is 34, and c is the square root of 34. Now it changes just a little bit if instead of knowing the two legs, you know one of the legs and the value of the hypotenuse. So this time we have a right triangle where one of the legs is 3, the hypotenuse is 5, and the other leg is what we're trying to solve for. So as I write Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and identify the three sides, I plug in 3 for a, 5 for c, and get 3 squared plus b squared equals 5 squared. 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25, but now my problem is, really what number do I add to 9 to get 25? Because really I'm saying something, calling it b squared, something plus 9 is 25. And whenever I have some part added to an unknown part to get a total, I can figure out that unknown, in this case b squared, by taking the total 25 minus the part 9 and get 16. So that missing part b squared is 16, and so b is the square root of 16, in this case 4.